How to turn on two-step verification on TikTok. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on two-step verification on TikTok in easy, fast way. So first thing we do, we go to TikTok and then go to the top corner right here. Choose settings and now go to security and login. And after that click on two steps verification here and now choose which step of verification that you want. There is the email verification and the SMS verification, and also you can add another password if you want. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.